Yo, where are you?
At the Silaco.
No, we're here.
We're here.
Here by the school.
Oh
my
yo,
God.
dude. We went to the one by Burger King. This dude, we were right. This dude.
Come on.
Yo, but we're next to an Evo right now.
You are?
Yeah.
Go to the Silaco by the school.
Yeah, I'll give you $10 in gas too. I'm filling your tank. What?
Sounds good.
Alright, I love you.
Shut up.
Alright, see you. Where'd you go?
I don't know. I lost
We went the whole way over there.
Where?
The other Sunoco.
The one by Burger King.
Yo, look at this picture.
Still recording?
Yeah.
For how long?
The whole time?
Yeah, we did like literally the whole time.
Okay, it is full. Okay guys, so before we go to the road, I want to make sure that everything is fine with the car. So I have to check the oil level and the coolant, and pretty much it looks pretty good for me. For the coolant, as you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like it is full, and I'm gonna be checking the oil. I haven't changed the oil since 1 month, and I'm kind of worried about it because I don't check the oil that often. So I want to make sure that it's reliable before I go to the road. And I'm gonna race a car today, as you hear. I'm gonna be racing a car, and it's gonna be fun. So yeah, pretty much, yeah. So I had to check the oil and see how it's at, and it is, as you can see, it's like black. Yeah, so let's go and check the oil. Okay, as you guys can see, it's like right in the middle, like it's perfect. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna hit the road, and we're ready to go. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so right now I'm just having an issue with the tire. I know it sounds weird, but I'm just having an issue with the tire, and this is what's going on. The tire right now is low in air, so I had to go to the forum and put air in it, and we're gonna good to go. I'm gonna take it to the shop maybe in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and I'm gonna have that fixed, and pretty much that's it, you know. And this is what I want to show you guys. So this is the new mod that I've done to the car, and it is the Honeygan license plate. As you guys can see on the bottom, the license cover. It is so nice, you know. Have the street racing is not a crime, but well, it is, but you know. So it is a nice touch that you guys can do it to the car, and that came from the, what is it called? Like I ordered on Amazon and it was like 30 bucks, and it looks so good, to be honest. I mean, for 30 bucks it's like cheap. You can put it in any car and it looks so good on it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it looks so good, as you guys can see. And man, what's up, man?
Yo, you get scared?
Maybe. It's not Taylor.
What's up, how are you?
What?
I said, how are you?
Good, man.
That's good.
So, you wanna hit the road?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, whose car?
You want me to meet me at the Taco Bell parking lot?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
What are we doing?
Racing.
Ooh. Do I get to drive yours?
Yeah, you're gonna drive mine, but I'm gonna give you the car at Taco Bell.
Alright, bet.
Alright, that's good. So I'm racing this guy over here, and this is gonna be fun. That is a Mazda, like a nice car, man. Oh crap. Man, I'm so excited. Like, I just want to race this guy. I always wanted to race that Mazda, and Mazda, I don't know how you guys call it. It is a Mazda. He's gonna drive my car and I'm gonna be driving his, and we're gonna hit the highway and see how he goes, you know. Maybe he's gonna win, because well, pretty much he's gonna be driving this thing. And you know, guys, this car has like 280 horsepower, so, and I don't know how much the Mazda is. And yeah, let's go for it. Like, I'm excited, man. I can't wait for it. And it is like doing a nice day. It is the perfect day to do it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it is like 32 degrees. Well, if you guys know, a turbo car performs better in the cold weather. Not lying, it does. I mean, you're gonna see a big difference when it comes to racing and building boost at low RPMs when it's cold. Like, yeah, it is crazy how this turbo works, and I'm excited, man. Oh crap. So I'm gonna meet him at the Taco Bell at E-Town, and we're gonna go from there and see you guys when we get there. There is always like a work zone every place, like in PA. If you don't live in PA, you're lucky, man. We have to deal with it every year, every day, and it is annoying for me because I'm always driving around, and man, just standing here and doing nothing, that's annoying for me. So see you guys when I get to Taco Bell. So yeah. Ready, man?
What? Yeah,
Ready?
where are we going?
To the highway. Meet me at the Best Buy parking lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to connect your phone to Bluetooth or anything?
Oh no, you want to go with him?
Yeah, I'll go with him. Damn, yeah, don't crash it.
No, I won't.
Alright,
That would be funny if I do that.
Oh, yo.
Sorry, G. You good? Alright, so I'm just gonna have you take the GoPro with you.
Alright.
And he's gonna record everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So, sounds good?
Yep.
Alright.
Yo. How do you, alright, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Yeah. You ready?
Ladies first.
I
Yo. I got it. I'm hooking up Bluetooth.
Oh, watch out for that squirrel.
Yo,
He almost hit that squirrel.
we got it.
Hey, watch out for
Don't hit
this
the
dog, though.
Yeah, don't hit the